Have you ever tried an irresistible egg pudding? A delicious, simple and quick to prepare keto carnivore dessert. Whether you love it warm and cozy or chilled and custard-like, this recipe is so easy, anyone can make it. If you're new here, my name is Severine, and on this channel I share my favorite carnivore recipes because I believe an animal-based diet can be simple, delicious and so satisfying. Let's dive in and whip up something absolutely irresistible. Ingredient overview. For this dessert, we'll need 4 large eggs, ideally organic, 1 cup of double cream or heavy cream as our friends in the US would call it, and optional 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Get your oven nice and warm at 160 Celsius, 325 Fahrenheit. Blend the mixture. In a blender, as you can see, I use a NutriBullet. Crack the eggs, add the cream, and the vanilla extract if you've decided to add it for a sweet egg pudding. Blend all these ingredients for a few minutes until it's smooth and silky. Prepare the baking dish. Lightly grease a baking dish or 4 ramekins with some butter for extra flavor. I go for ramekins because it's so delicious, I need to make sure I'm controlling my portions. Pour the mixture. Then pour that creamy goodness into the greased ramekins or baking dish. Bake. Set the ramekin in a water bath. Basically, you add them in a larger pan, then fill the pan with hot water halfway up the size of your baking dish. This helps keep things even and prevent curdling. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the edges are firm and the center has a gentle jiggle. Cool and serve. Once the time is up, take it out of the oven and let it cool down a bit. You can enjoy it warm or pop it in the fridge for a chill custard-like texture. Personally, I love adding a sprinkle of cinnamon just before digging in. Do you want to experiment with this recipe? Then here are some tips. Want it extra creamy? Use more heavy cream. Want it lighter? Use whole milk instead of cream. Prefer a firmer texture? Just add 1 extra egg. For an even richer treat, add 2 tablespoons of butter to the mixture just before baking. That's it for today, mes amis. I hope you've enjoyed making this irresistible carnivore dessert. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell for more tasty carnivore recipes. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. À bientôt!